How to set profile visibility on Jobstreet. If you want to set a profile visibility on Jobstreet, it's very simple to do so. You first launch the Jobstreet app and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you've done that, at the top you can say set profile visibility. If you don't find it also, no worries. You go to the gear icon on the top right hand side, then go to profile visibility. So you can say searchable by employers. You can select standard, which is recommended, or limited or hidden, and you can also show your approachability. You can also go to share Jobstreet profile. You can connect and create a link by selecting connect a link over here, and you can see share profile is on or disabled. You can leave that to on. So once done, you've set your profile visibility to public and be shown by others. If you want to set that to private, set this to hidden. So I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.